Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if Discord won't open on your Windows PC. Now, the first thing you need to do is end all the Discord app processes on your PC. To do that, right-click on the Start icon and select Task Manager from the list. In this window, go ahead and select Discord from the list. Once selected, click this End Task option at the top. Now, close the Task Manager window. After that, right-click on the Start icon one more time. This time, select Run from the list. In the Run dialog box, type %app data%. Then, click OK. In the File Explorer window, find and double-click the Discord folder to open it. Here, you will need to delete 3 folders. Hold down the Control key and select this Cache, Code Cache and GPU Cache folders. Then, click this trash icon at the top to delete them. Once this is done, right-click on the Discord app icon and select Run as Administrator. If Discord won't open even after this, go ahead and right-click on the Start icon again. Then, select Installed Apps. In the Settings app that opens, search for the Discord app. Once you find it, click the 3-dot icon next to it and choose Uninstall. Then, select Uninstall again to confirm. Now, restart your PC and head to the Microsoft Store to download and install Discord again. Following that, the app should work as expected. If you have any questions about this topic, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to Glitch Guru for more tips like this.